All right, it's time again. Let's do it. So excited about this one. We're gonna do this cutting board. And what we need to do is we're gonna put a circle, a bowl on half of this. So you have the cutting surface and a bowl. So what I did is I measured halfway in, put a line, and then drew the X, and it fits perfectly. So what we do now is try to line up and like that. We're gonna glue it up. Let me mark it.
What Ken didn't realize at this point were the forces of good and evil were conspiring against him.
Woo, yeah. All right, now that I got this on there, we're gonna mount it over onto this thing right here. Let's give it a try. I'm gonna reposition the camera so you can see it better, and we'll go from there. So this makes me sad. The cutting board's too long, and I can't outboard turn this. What will I ever do? I will figure this out. I'll be back. By the way, I was using thick that time. It's a gap filler, but I think it'd be better to hold this with that. Damn thing was set to low. Shit. I'm gonna stand way back here while we test this out. This is gonna be go slow. Okay, we're gonna have to keep it right around 300 when we turn this. So seems to be steady. It's on there good. So let's turn this sucker. I'm just making circles because it's fun. The outer circle is what we're going to cut in, and we're going to dish it on out that way. Boom! Now, just so everybody knows, I would normally bring the tailstock forward, but I can't. It gets in the way when I'm trying to do the inside of this. So we're just going to take it slow and easy, and we're going to hog this sucker out. So, nice and easy. If it comes loose, I'm going to stand over here. So if it shoots off, you guys get it, not me. Alright, before I start turning this, I highly discourage anyone from turning stuff like this unless you're willing to take the risk, okay? I'm going to change what I had up. I had it about 300. I'm actually going to keep it down about 215 and see how that goes. And I'm going to stay out of the way, and I'm going to use a face shield like I always do. So proper safety measures, and you should be fine. Damn, that is hard to turn. I wonder if my carbide would cut it any better. Let's give it a shot. Not cutting it any better. If in fact it might be a little bit worse. All right. Looks pretty good. Got some lines in there. I think I can sand that out. So let's get this ready to sand and I'll be right back. This stuff will get you high. Let's see how easy it comes apart now. Boom. That worked pretty darn good. Alright, let's get this over and sand it on down. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit the bell so you don't miss nothing, and go ahead and hit me up on Instagram so you know what's going on every day. Woo!